Today we're going to make the perfect continental waffle. So if you're staying at a place that serves continental breakfast, this is how you want to make the perfect waffle. Fill it all the way to the line that's on the cup. If the cup doesn't have a line, that means fill the cup all the way to the top. You do not want to go past that line. All right, you want to spray. They usually have spray somewhere in the vicinity of your waffle maker. Make sure you spray both sides, but do not start your pour from the center of the waffle maker. You want to go in a spiral pour. So we're going to start around the edge and work our way to the center. Close it and flip. That beeping sound, your waffle is ready. You want to quickly turn your waffle back over. Do not let your waffle sit while you're getting your other items for breakfast, or it'll burn. The waffle maker as quick as possible, and you'll have the perfect continental breakfast waffle.